In today's video, I'll show you how to install Minecraft for free on any laptop or PC. Let's get started without wasting any time. First, open your browser and search for Minecraft. Click on the first result that says, "Welcome to Minecraft." Once you're on the official website, go to the left-hand menu, select Games, and then click on Minecraft. After that, you'll see an option called Try it for free. Click on it to continue. This will take you to a new page where you need to scroll down and click on Download Now. Start the download and wait for it to finish. Once the download is complete, open the file. You'll see the installer application. Run it and begin the installation process. It may take some time, so be patient while it installs. After installation, sign in with your Microsoft account. Once you're logged in, click on Get in Microsoft Store. From there, select Play Demo. The game will begin downloading. When it's finished, open it and click on Play Demo World. Now you should be able to enjoy Minecraft. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. See you in the next one.